Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a Convertkit landing page. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or log into your account. First, click on the Grow section and a menu will open. Next, click on Landing Pages and Forms. Then click on Create a Landing Page. Choose a template that fits your needs. Now you're in the landing page editor, where you can customize the page according to your preferences. After making the changes, click Publish, and you're done. Your landing page is ready. Just copy the link and paste it into your site. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to earn over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.